Hi guys, today I'm going to replace my OEM engine and cabin filter in my 2019 Toyota Highlander Limited. These replacement filters are also good for all 3rd gen Highlander from 2014 to 19. The reason I'm switching to dishwashable filters is basically just to save money, and the fact that these are reusable, I can clean them more frequently, and also it lasts longer than standard paper filters. Here are the model numbers, and if you are interested, I'll just leave the link at the description box down below. If you want to see more Toyota Highlander installation videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so you are updated once I uploaded the new ones. Okay, let's start at the engine bay and replace the engine air filter. Remove the two locking tabs that hold the filter box, and I'm suggesting you keep the OEM filter, so by the time you wash the filter you can use the old one while waiting for the reusable filter to air dry. Okay, and then insert the new filter, then make sure it's properly closed and sealed so no contaminants will enter on the side of the air box. Then close the locking tabs. And now we're going to replace the cabin filter. Okay, and then first you open the glove box and then squeeze the top ends to remove it. In the glove box there's another two guards or cover to remove before you access the cabin filter. Just slightly pull the first guard to open, and on the second guard squeeze the both tabs on each end. Just pull the old OEM filter and make sure it's the same orientation with the new filter. Just place the filter with the K and N branding facing towards you, because I didn't see any arrows or directional flow on the new filter. Just make sure that the new filter is properly seated in the cabin filter box, and put the guards or cover back accordingly.